How to fix Zoom error code 10000600 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Allow Zoom through Windows Firewall. Firewall restrictions might block Zoom's access to the Internet, triggering error code 10000600, and adjusting settings can eliminate this barrier. Locate Zoom Video Conference, ensure it's checked for private and public, and click OK. Add Zoom manually via Allow another app if it's not listed. Antivirus software can interfere with Zoom's server communication, causing error code 10000600, and pausing it may allow normal operation. If that didn't work, fix 3. Run Network Troubleshooter. Network configuration issues might disrupt Zoom, and this tool can automatically detect and fix them. Outdated system files can cause compatibility issues with Zoom, and updating Windows may resolve error code 10000600. If that didn't work, fix 5. Clear Zoom cache. Accumulated cache files can disrupt Zoom's functionality, and clearing them might eliminate error code 10000600. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, corrupted installation files can lead to error code 10000600, and a fresh install can replace faulty components.